days, and we talked a lot, and it was clear he didn't know anything about breast disease. He's a gene hunter, and he's found lots of genes. And when he started talking about sending out kits to general practitioner's office so all their patients could be tested genetically, I thought, whoa, there's going to be major issues with this gene testing. Somebody's got to get a tiger by the tail, and that's how I got involved in learning how to do it and setting up the program. But it was interesting. We had this event in little old Oklahoma City, but we had about 5 major scientists come at the same time. The other one that came was James Watson, the discoverer of DNA and writer of double helix and all that stuff. And here I am in a this is not a computer-generated photo. I'm in a conversation with these giants. So, do you think OJ's guilty? And how about those DNA results? Kind of at a loss for words when you're between the great minds. Talking with James Watson, I realized after a few minutes he was not talking to me at all. He was talking to my wife. And so I had to utter these words, "Jim, you slide dog, you." Those are fun times. In fall 1996, it was no longer research, it was commercial testing, $3,000 a pop to sequence the BRCA1 and 2 genes for your patients. If you find an abnormality, you can go right to that spot, and all the other members of the family, just $300. And we're kind of running out of time, so I'm going to skip the gene thing a little bit there. These are just gene results. You want them to be positive, you want them to be negative, but they're positive sometimes. And when they are, you open up a whole family. Suddenly, you're just kind of spending hours and hours with one patient. The patient tests positive.